friends! Today, we're going to learn all about vehicles at the Children's Museum of Manhattan. I'm so excited! What's that? It's a bus! Yeah, should I get on the bus? Yeah? Get on, get on, get on! I'm on the bus! Vroom, vroom, beep, beep! Oh, look! 2 more friends want to get on the bus.
Hi, Miss Rachel!
Hi, Blippi! Hi, Meekah! Do you want to learn about vehicles with us today?
Yeah! I love vehicles!
Vehicles take us where we need to go. Hey, let's hop on the bus and go to the grocery store.
Oh, fun! Yeah!
Woo! Let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Let's do the horn! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Let's do the wipers.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
The wipers on the bus go
swish, 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 all through the town. What do the doors do? The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. When you need to buy some food, how do you and your grown-up get to the grocery store? Wow!
I take the bicycle to the store.
I take the Blippi mobile.
Today, we took the bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
The
Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the
Yeah! We made it to the store!
Vehicles take us where we need to go.
Yeah, hey, let's go do some shopping. Who wants to be the grocery clerk?
I do!
Okay.
Woo! Here we go!
What would you buy? Good idea.
Oh, I think I would like to buy 2 red apples. Oh, here's 1, 2. So yummy.
Yeah, I love healthy foods. And let's get 3 pairs.
Good idea.
1, 2, 3.
Yummy. Now we can pay for our fruit.
Let's go. We put the fruit on the conveyor belt. Help us. Put it on, put it on, put it on.
Hi!
Hi, Blippi.
Did you find everything okay?
Yeah, we did. Thank you.
Whoa, this looks yummy!
Yeah.
Perfect choice! Okay, that will be $5.
Let me reach in my pocket. Here you go.
Thank you! See you later, bye-bye!
Thanks, Blippi.
Have a nice day!
You too.
Thanks for shopping at Blippi's Market, where the fruit is very appealing.
Can you do this? Wee-oo, wee sound? Yeah, it's a siren. Can you help me find a vehicle that uses a siren?
You found it! The fire truck!
Yeah!
What color is a fire truck? Red! Right! A red fire truck.
Fire trucks take firefighters, water, and equipment where it needs to go.
Let's pretend to be firefighters. Will you pretend with us? Yeah!
Let's pretend to sleep, and then we have to wake up and fight a fire.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Good night, everyone.
Bye!
Sweet dreams!
Alarm goes off. Slide down the pole. Put on your helmet. Come on, let's roll. Fire truck. Riding in a fire truck. Fire truck. Riding in a fire truck. Up, connect the hose. Now let it spray. Climb up the ladder to save the day. Fire truck, riding in a fire truck. Fire truck, riding in a fire truck.
Oh no! There's a kitten stuck in a tree!
Let's go save it.
Yeah, come on. Hurry, hurry, up the ladder. Look out below.
We did it.
Yeah! We got another call. Quickly, quickly, very quickly. Go, go, go. Fire truck, riding in a fire truck. Fire truck, riding in a fire truck. Whoop.
What is a vehicle? A vehicle is a machine that takes people or things from one place to another place. The bus is taking the kids to school. The bus is a vehicle. How do you get to school? Wow! Blippi, Meekah, look!
Subway trains!
So cool! A subway train is a vehicle that takes a lot of people where they need to go.
And it usually runs under the ground.
I take the subway all the time. It's one way I can get where I need to go.
So cool!
I want to play with the 3 train.
Blippi has the 3 train. If I really wanted to play with the 3 train, what could I do? I could ask if he wants to trade. Hey, Blippi, I really want to play with the 3 train. Would you trade me for the D?
Sure!
That was so nice of Blippi to trade. We can also ask a friend for a turn. Try with me. Say, can I have a turn? Meekah, can I have a turn with that train when you're done?
Sure, I'll be done playing with it in a few minutes.
Thanks. That was really nice of Blippi and Meekah to share. They're such nice friends.
Which vehicle goes in the air? Yes, the plane. Which vehicle goes on land? Yes, the truck. Which vehicle goes in the water? Yes, the boat. Great job! You could make a chart like this at home and sort all the vehicles you know.
Since we're learning about vehicles today, I got you both a surprise vehicle.
Thank you, Miss Rachel.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, you even wrapped it in our favorite colors.
Yeah.
This is so thoughtful.
Say open. Open.
Whoa, okay, here we go.
It's opening.
Whoa, check it out. Do you know what this is? A garbage truck. Ring. Whoa, thank you, Miss Rachel. I love it.
Meekah, open yours.
Okay.
Say open.
Open. Wow, my favorite color, purple, and it's an airplane.
Wow.
An airplane is a vehicle with wings. It can fly.
Wow.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Miss Rachel, thank you for the gifts. Actually, we also have a gift for you.
Aw, thank you.
Yep.
Here you go.
Wow, it's my favorite color, pink. Say open.
Open.
Oh, thank you guys so much. It's a car. And the door's really open.
That's so cool.
Trunk opens. Whoa.
Here we go. Ring. Ring. Wah!
Let's do a vehicle pattern. Plane, truck. Plane, truck. Plane. What comes next? Yes, truck. Great job.
Say go, and the ball will go down the ramp. Ready, set, go!
Whoa! Look at it go! Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, and you know, you can make your very own ramp at home. You could use a recycled item like, wow, a paper tube.
Wow, how does it work, Meekah?
Well, you take a car. Does anyone have a little car?
Oh, I do. I actually have 1, 2 cars.
Great. So put the car in the tube, and yeah, Miss Rachel, you can catch it.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Say go. Whoa! Yeah, that was fun. Should we try the other car too?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. That was fun.
Yeah, nice job, Blippi.
Which train is the longest? Yes, this one. Which train is the shortest? Yes, you got it. Great job.
It was so much fun learning about vehicles today with Blippi and Meekah.
And we had so much fun spending the day with you, Miss Rachel.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Can you name one vehicle? Great job, I'm so proud of you. And we also learned that vehicles take us where we need to go. Bye, see you next time.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Wow, it's a tractor. I'm going to get on the tractor. Here I go. Wow, now I'm on the tractor. I'm going to pretend to drive. Can you pretend to drive a tractor with me? Good job! What color is this tractor? Yeah, it's green and yellow. Awesome! Wow, what color is this tractor? Yeah, this is the color red. What color is this one? Yeah, it's got yellow and white. Good job! Drive with me. It's time for a magic movie. What exactly is a tractor? A tractor is a strong vehicle. Can you say vehicle? Vehicle. Vehicle. Tractors help the farmers take care of the farm. Tractors pull plows and other farm machines. Who do tractors help? Can you remember? Who do tractors help? Tractors help the farmer. Yeah, they help the farmer. Great job.
Hey, what's the number of the day? Let's figure it out by counting these tractors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tractors. The number of the day is 6. Nice job.
Let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Get out your paddles. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. This time, let's pretend we see a crocodile. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Now let's pretend we're on a big ship. That's a big boat. And we have to turn the ship. Oh! And we have to turn the other way. We're on a big ship. Wow! This is the way we steer the ship. Steer the ship. Steer the ship. This is the way we steer the ship. We're steering a big ship. So big. Oh, we are two sailors come from o'er the sea. If you want to go away again, come along with me. Oh, wishy-washy, wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Whee! If you want to go away again, come along with me. Oh, we like to wash and scrub up in the tub. So come right in and join us and scrub-a-dub-a-dub. Oh, wishy-washy, wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Whee! If you want to go away again, come along with me. Can you help the car go down the ramp? You say go, and the car will go down the ramp. Ready, set, go! The car went down the ramp. Let's pretend to drive. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Say beep, beep. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Can you say vroom, vroom? Vroom, vroom. This is the way we drive the car, drive the car, drive the car. This is the way we drive the car every single day. Should we go faster? Fast? This is the way we drive the car, drive the car, drive the car. This is the way we drive the car every single day. And that was so much fun. Good job driving. Green means go. Go, go, go. Yellow means slow. Slow, slow, slow. Red means stop. Go, go, go. Slow, slow, slow. Stop. Good job. Should we do more? Let's do more. Green means go. Go, go, go. Yellow means slow. Slow, slow, slow. Red means stop. Go, go, go. Slow, slow, slow. Stop. Good job. Peekaboo. So silly. Look. A train. Wow. Choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Can you do that? Choo choo. Good job. Wow. A train. Let's put this horse in the train. Put him in, put him in, put him in. Good job. Now the horse can ride in the train. Jugga 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 choo choo. Should we put the cow in the train? Yeah? Put her in, put her in, put her in. Now the cow's in the train. Choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Choo choo. Can you say go? Go! Say go, and some cars will come out. Ready, set, go! Wow! Wow! Cars! Let's do more. Let's do more. Ready, set, go! More cars! More cars! Yay!
This is up, this is up, and this is down. This is up, this is up, and this is down. This is leaning to the side, side to side, and this is turning around. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. This is up, up, this is up, up, and this is down. This is down. This is up, up, this is up, up, and this is down. This is down. This is leaning to the side, side to side, and this is turning around. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. This is leaning to the side, side to side, and this is turning around. Up and down and 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 up and down. Where is the car? Where is it? Under the blanket? Let's check. Oh, vroom, vroom. The car was under the blanket. We found it. We found the car. I like cars. Look, it's a toy car. Car. Can you say car? Car. 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 Say vroom vroom and the car will come out.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Here it is. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Going fast. So fast. Fast. Now it's going slow. Slow car. Slow car. Bye-bye car. Say bye-bye to the car. Bye-bye car. Can you say beep beep? Beep. Beep. Here comes the car. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Driving away.
Oh, the city is great and the city is grand. There are lots of tall buildings on a little piece of land, and we live way up on the 57th floor. And this is what we do when we go out the door. We take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down. Then we turn around. Take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, then we turn around. Take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, take the elevator up, take the elevator down, then we turn around.
Look! Blue car. Look at this. It's a blue car. Blue car. 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 Blue car. What does a car say? Beep, 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 beep. Pretending to drive a car. Vroom, vroom,